Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. Do you love your half bath but have a problem with storage like I do? This 4-tier storage cabinet by MOSAMNI has solved all our small bathroom problems. It has amazing storage capacity, different drawers of all sizes, and my favorite is never having to run out of toilet paper. It fits 9 rolls of toilet paper. Amazing. And in my upstairs bathroom, it fits right beside the toilet and it has plenty of room to spare, about 2 to 3 inches. I just love the slim size. You will definitely take advantage of this. It can fit in any place that you desire. And my favorite part is that it's well packaged and pre-assembled, ready to go. So fix your small bathroom problems with Mosamni's beautiful 4-tier storage cabinet. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.